I'm John Benedict Ganas. I'm taking course of Bachelor of Science, Hospitality Management, and I'm from Dalabasan Polytechnical Lungsod ng Baliwag. And this is my question. 1. Was there even a time where you experienced taking an irate customer? How did you deal with that situation?
One time in the shop, I tried na mag-handle ng isang irate na customer. That's why kinausap ko siya and nag-usap kami ng maayos and masinsinan. And kailangan din kasi isa kang good listener as a staff ng isang company or isang business.
Okay.
So ayun, kinag-usap kami ng gentle with gentle voice. Siyempre, number 1 yun na kailangan mo.
Yes.
Yun.
Thank you. And this is the second question. Has there ever been a situation in which your organization received negative feedback from your customer? How did you respond?
And every organization nakaka-receive ng good and bad feedback. That's why sa isang organization, napakahalaga na tingnan natin yung feedback ng mga customers na bumibili sa atin. That's why, para mabago natin kung ano yung dapat natin i-improve sa isang product. That's why, kailangan lang natin siguro tanggapin yung reality kung ano yung sinabi ng customer, masama man yan o good.
And this is the question number 3. Can you describe an example of situation where you provided exceptional customer service?
For example, in the coffee shop, like I'm working there, so that's why kahit na mali na yung order nung customer and hindi naman sa amin yung mali, pinapalitan pati namin yung drinks nila at sa amin na-charge. So ayun, kahit hindi namin kasalanan, that's why kami yung kumuha ng order, sa amin ma-charge yun.
And this is the question number 4. How doesn't your company maintain customer satisfaction?
In our shop, sa coffee shop namin, nami-maintain namin yung satisfaction ng isang customer or ng buyer namin. Kapag nalalaman namin, every time na bumibili sila sa amin, pinapatikman namin sa kanila, then kung ano ba yung lasa. And nakikita naman namin sa mga mata nila na yung satisfaction nila nakukuha namin and nami-maintain namin yun. That's why bumabalik sila sa amin.
I have a 5th question. What do you think are the most challenging part of being an employee?
Sa pagiging employee, napakahirap niya. That's why, hindi naman mahirap, lalo kapag may pamilya ang binubuhay. That's why marami ang employee sa atin na kahit employee lang, ang tingin nila sa pagiging employee is marangal kasi nga may pamilya silang binubuhay.
I have the 6th question. What are the problems you have encountered with your staff or fellow employee? How did you deal it with?
Sa pagkakaroon ng problem with the same staff or sa staff namin, hinahandle namin siya, nagkakaroon kami ng meeting para masabi ng bawat isa kung meron bang problema para na pag-uusapan, hindi na lumalala yung gulo.
And this is the second to the last question for this interview. Do you enjoy working in the food service industry? Why?
Yes, I'm enjoying working in the food industry. That's why in my course, tourism, that's why involved din siya. Na-enjoy ko yung pagtatrabaho at the same time nag-aaral ako. Na-apply ko din siya in my schooling. So yun.
And this is the last question. What advice can you give to those students like me who are planning to have a career in the food industry?
Advice to all students na balak pumasok sa food industry, enjoy lang nila what they have and kung ano yung plan talaga nila in the future. That's why masaya sa food industry dahil bagamat marami tayong pwedeng pasukan, napakadami natin pwedeng pasukan sa food industry. lalo sa about siya sa food ng tao. So, napaka-importante niya sa pang-araw-araw natin daily lifestyle. So, enjoy lang nila kung saan sila mapupunta sa food industry na trabaho and maging happy lang sila sa kung ano yung napasok nilang work sa food industry.
Okay, thank you for your time to interview. Thank you.